I'm about to show you guys 5 different ways to find winning products for your dropshipping store. These product research methods will help you find unsaturated 6- and 7-figure dropshipping products in high demand with low competition. We'll even go over my winning product criteria and how to find reliable, high quality suppliers for your store. Remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. My name's Alex if you're new. We have a lot to go over, so let's get right into it. Let's start by going over my winning product criteria and everything that I look for in a potential product to sell. Starting with your customers' pain points, you guys want to sell products that are problem solving and help your customers find a solution. This can be health, it can actually help them solve a real pain point. This can be wealth, it can help them save money or make more money, or this can be relationships to help your customers appear more confident and attractive. Health, wealth, and relationships are the 3 most profitable niches that you can sell in. Moving on, you want all your products to have that wow factor and stop your customers from scrolling on to the next video. They need to be unique and not sold in stores because you don't want your customers to drive to their local Walmart and pick up the same exact thing that you're selling. Obviously, we want to sell unsaturated products with low competition, but they also need to be evergreen and sell all year round without any seasonal influences. And ideally, we want products with at least a 70% profit margin before ads. So keep those points in mind anytime you're doing product research and looking for potential products to sell. All right, for product research method number 1, we just want to open up our phones and go on the TikTok app. You guys are gonna type in hashtag TikTok shop, hashtag TikTok made me buy it, hashtag Amazon finds. Any one of those similar hashtags is going to display a bunch of winning products for you. You guys can scroll through all of these videos, see what's performing well, see what's working for other brands, see what the current trends are. You guys can actually go a little bit deeper, select filters up here at the top. You guys can sort it by like count. You guys can look at videos posted within the last month to see what all the current trends are. You guys can actually go a step further by clicking on the shop tab up here, and it's going to show you all the top performing products on TikTok shop. It's actually going to show you the amount of sales each store is getting. You guys can look at all of the reviews. So just keep scrolling through shops and all of these videos to see what's working for other brands so that you guys can get ideas of what you want to sell yourself. And like always, keep your winning product criteria in mind for each one of these potential products. So you guys can see right here, these vintage clippers were a winning product in the past, but they've already got almost 7,000 sales on TikTok shop. We keep scrolling, and it's the same thing with a bunch of products. You guys can see this projector right here with 13.4K sales and 197 high rated reviews. Now keep in mind, you'll want to do a little more research for some of these products because a lot of them are going to be saturated. So just keep that in mind. All right guys, my next product research method is MyNia. This is what you guys will see when you log into MyNia. This is the homepage right here. Now, MyNia is an advanced ad spy tool with a ton of useful features. So you guys can see right here, these lists are updated all the time. They'll show you the top 100 winning products to sell on Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, as well as the top 100 trending dropshipping shops. You guys can select ads up here at the top, and you guys can scan Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, and TikTok ads. You guys can select some filters up here at the top to narrow down your searches. So for example, we can select TikTok ads right here at the top, click on weekly winners, and it's going to show you all of the top performing products that we've seen this week. This is a great way to pick up on trends and figure out what's working for other dropshipping brands. You guys can select shops up here at the top and analyze a bunch of different dropshipping stores down here. If you go back to the homepage and scroll to the bottom, it'll show you the top 10 products of the day for Facebook. We can look at the top 10 products of the day on Pinterest, as well as TikTok. This is a great way to find winning products fast. Now, as promised, let's talk about finding high quality, reliable suppliers for your dropshipping store. This way, you guys can stop relying on AliExpress and their long shipping times, bad suppliers, low quality products, lost packages, and all the headaches that come along with AliExpress. Now, today's video is actually sponsored by one of my personal favorite dropshipping suppliers, FulFillman. Now, FulFillman is by far the most reliable supplier and best AliExpress alternative when it comes to dropshipping. They can actually guarantee you guys 3 to 5 day shipping time, which is essential to scaling your business in 2024. And it's actually super easy to get started with them. You just go on their website and you select get a free quote down here. And their 6-step process is super simple. You guys can see it all right here. They offer their own private line of logistics to ensure your products get to your customers very fast. They have bundling options, as well as branding like custom packaging, flyers, business cards, and more. I've been using FulFillman for a few of my own dropshipping stores, and I want to show you how fast the shipping speeds just are. Here's 9 of my most recent tracking numbers this month, and you guys can see right here, 3-day shipping to the US, 5-day shipping to the UK, 5-day shipping to Germany. You guys can't beat that. They link up directly with your Shopify store and will manage all of your orders for you. And unlike many of the traditional suppliers that are out there, they have really good quality control in place, and I really like the branding elements that they include, like the custom packaging, the thank you cards. That is essential to building a brand in 2024. I'll leave a link down below in case you guys want to learn more. Simply go on their website, select get a free quote, and see what FulFillman can do for you. All right guys, research method number 3 is one of the most powerful ways to perform trend analysis. This is Glimpse right here, and Glimpse is just like Google Trends, but a lot more advanced. Most people say it's like Google Trends on steroids. If you guys scroll down here, you guys can actually go through each one of these niches, see what people are searching for and what's popular right now. For example, we can click on beauty, go on makeup and cosmetics, and see what people are searching for within this niche. You guys can see all of these searches right here, as well as the growth to the right of it. You guys can even look up certain products that you might be interested in selling, like this posture corrector right here. We know this is one of the most saturated dropshipping products on the market, but demand is always very high for it. You guys can see the 12-month chart right here. You guys can see that I got 32,000 searches last month, which is down 11% from the previous month. It will also show you similar searches to help you with keywords and SEO. You guys can see people are looking up the best posture corrector good, posture corrector bra, posture corrector for neck, ladies posture corrector, and so on. You guys can even find similar products down here for the related queries. You guys can see back stretcher, facial razor, hair roller, scalp massager, and arm sling, and how all of these searches are uptrending. You guys can even see the channel that people are searching for these on. So the posture corrector would be a great product to sell on Instagram or TikTok because those are the top 2 channels for this search. Scrolling down, you guys can actually see the interest by region. So Australia is the most interested in this product, followed by Ireland, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. So this is a great way to spot trends and see what people are searching for, but also analyze certain products that you might already be interested in selling. Try this out and let me know how it works for you. All right, product research method number 4 is just analyzing stores that are already performing well. We're gonna go on an acquisition website like Flippa. You guys can select browse up here at the top, websites. You guys can click e-commerce. We can select either Shopify or Dropship. We'll select dropshipping stores, and it's going to show you a bunch of dropshipping stores that are for sale right now, as well as their sales, their products, and everything about each one of these stores. This is a great way to perform trend analysis and see what's working for other dropshippers. People can actually pay a little bit more money to make their listings confidential, so people like us can't go through and spot all of these, but most of the stores on here are gonna give away all of the information about each one of these brands. So for example, this is a winning product from the past, the Calming Dog Bed. We can analyze this website right here and see that they've been in business for 3 years. They're making almost $5,000 a month in profit with a 21% profit margin, and they're getting a little over 10,000 page views a month. They're selling their store for $95,000. We can see all the information about this store down here. Scrolling to the bottom, we can look at their financial statistics. They're earning an annual revenue of $280,000 in Australian dollars, with an annual profit of almost $58,000 and a profit multiple of 2.5. Based on their financials and information about their brand, this is definitely a product that you guys could be interested in selling. We can actually go a step further by going back to Glimpse and typing in the products that we find on Flippa to see how they're performing on search trends. You guys can see Calming Bed is getting over 5,000 searches a month on Google with a 30% increase. You guys can see the related searches down here. Calming bed for dogs, dog calming bed, cat calming bed, pet calming bed, all that good stuff. We can see the related products: insulated water bottle, warmies, puzzle feeder, dry bag, and Halloween toys, as well as the interest by region. So this is definitely a product that we could be interested in selling. And last but not least, the final product research method I have for you guys today is going on the bestseller list on Temu. Let's be real, a lot of people are weary about ordering from Temu, but you guys can see all of these products right here have over 100,000 orders. So people are definitely interested in these products and they're already in high demand. So you guys could definitely take a few products from here, research them a little bit deeper on Glimpse and the Facebook and TikTok ads library, and see if it's a potential winner for you to sell. The products are endless. You guys can see all of these products down here have over 100,000 orders. So keep scrolling until you find something that catches your attention something you could create content around and sell yourself, but most importantly, products that are already validated. You now have all the tools you need to find winning products and start making sales on your dropshipping store. If you want winning products sent directly to you, remember to sign up for my winning product notifications, link down below. And if you found any value in this video, don't forget to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.